Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri last weekend joined some of his counterparts from across the country, as well as top government functionaries and captains of industry, to pay their last respects to late Herbert Wigwe, who died last month in the United States of America, alongside his wife, Chizoba, and their son, Chizi. Senator Diri, while speaking at the final interment held at Isiokpo, River State, noted that the late Astute banker left an indelible mark on the sands of time and called for the preservation of his legacies.
The body of the late co-founder and chief executive officer of Access Holdings, Herbert Wigwe, along with his wife Chizoba and son Chizi, was laid to rest last week at their country home in Isiokpo, River State. Family, friends and business associates as well as political leaders gathered at the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Lion of Judah Parish, Isiokpo, for the funeral service of the trio who died in a helicopter crash in California, United States of America on the 9th of February 2024, alongside former group chairman of Nigerian Exchange Group PLC, Abimbola Ogumbajo, as well as 2 pilots. The Bayelsa State Governor, who spoke to journalists at the funeral, described the late Wigwe as a trailblazer who lived a life of service to humanity.
The high and the mighty will learn a lesson from this death and begin to see what they can do to help society grow the way Herbert has touched lives. I think that Herbert is even larger in death than life.
The Wigwe University is a project the 57-year-old bank executive initiated in May 2023. Unfortunately, he could not live to see the official takeoff of his brainchild. However, Nigerians, including Senate President Godswill Akpabio, want this laudable legacy preserved.
The university is not only for Nigeria, it's for the entire global community. So just like he was a global banker, chairman of bankers in Nigeria, opening branches all over the place, he actually also has left a legacy in education.
The interment followed a week-long series of programs and tributes to the Wigwes in Lagos. Some of the dignitaries who were at Isiokpo to bid the late banker farewell include business leader Aliko Dangote, River State Governor Sim Fubara, and a host of other past and present governors, as well as captains of industries.
Inside the Niger Delta,